Hi, in this video I am going to show you how to email sign out from Outlook. First of all, go to the search bar and type Control Panel. Click on Control Panel. Once it opens, go to the search bar and type Microsoft. And then click on Microsoft Mail. Once it's open, click on Show Profile. And then click on Remove. And then click on Apply. Now open Outlook. Now you can see my Outlook account has been removed. That's the way to remove an Outlook account. If you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.